But I say it's actually one of the most complex manufacturing processes on the planet. There's a lot of complexities due to the complexity of plastics. To be creative, continually creative, we can't do the same thing we've done for decades. The technology is advancing, so companies have to advance with that.
There's not too many jobs out there other than manufacturing where you get to see something, an idea come to life.
Plastic comes in tiny pellet form. It is heated to hundreds of degrees Fahrenheit in an injection mold. These parts are then processed and used all over. The products that Beaumont makes varies from components in medical needs and pen styluses.
Beaumont also has a diagnostic research team. They characterize hundreds of forms of plastic in order to best create parts to meet their consumers' needs. Another part of Beaumont is the American Injection Molding Institute, or AIM. AIM is a school that provides plastic injection molding facilities with training for their engineers. AIM goes over plastic materials, mold design, part design, and the injection molding process.
It's more than that, though. It's a family atmosphere. There's not a lot of people that can say they enjoy coming to work every day. And that's what Beaumont, that's what he creates.